Hey everybody, so this is Travel with LA reporting live from Washington DC. We are currently staying in the Embassy Suites Convention Center. So let me take you through the room, of course, the usual. Let's give you a nice room tour and then we'll discuss the price. Stay tuned. All right, so let me take you first through. So we have our living room. So this room is a two modern suite room. So basically we have two different rooms, of course. This is, of course, would be the living room. So we have two pretty decently plushed or firmed couches, single couches. This is a pull-out bed, which is awesome. So technically this room can fit, I believe, about, I want to say about 4, maybe 5 people, technically. We also have an amazing view. Well, this is view number 1. You guys have your little kind of like workstation area, which is accompanied by a nice LG size TV, which looks like a bit of a closet area. It says this really cool thing here. Then I'm going to take you over to the bathroom. So the bathroom is pretty decently sized and it's huge actually. Right? Okay. So you have a little nice area for vanity. Your toilet is pretty separate. And then this right here. So what we have in our room, we have a disability access room. So that means we have like a roll-in shower for anyone who is disabled. So this would actually be a very ideal room. So just to say, like, Embassy Suites can accompany any type of person. So this would be, I think, an awesome room to book. Just alone from, I think, the spacing. Then we have a kitchen area. We were given complimentary waters. It has a microwave, sink. You have a little mirror there as well. Then we have the bedroom. So also another single couch, another mirror. That is Diamond. Say hello, Diamond. Hey, girl.
Hello, YouTube world.
Then you have Ariel in the corner. Say, hey, Ari.
I'm just happy you got a room.
Okay. All right. So those are my 2 best friends. We have been best friends since pre-K and kindergarten, you guys. So, woohoo! That is a long ass time. We are practically all in a relationship. We have the longest relationship, I think, than with our parents. Yeah, there's that.
Exactly.
So just to give a nice big shout out, Diamond is getting married. Did y'all see that rock though, boy? Okay, yes. All right. And we have Ari, who once again is going to, where you going, Ari?
Physical therapy school.
Yes, girl, yes.
My life together.
Yes, she sure is. And she gonna be healing our knees because we all gonna have arthritis. Then we have this other cute mirror. And then we have another view. That's directly.
No, this view is nice.
This is like pretty dope, y'all.
This is the view where you can see everybody plotting to like do something. Take over the world. You can see all that.
You see up top at people's roofs. You see everything. It's a pretty sweet view. We're on the 14th floor, so I think this view should be sweet. But it's dope. It's dope. So let us, of course, get to that price. So now we got some lighting in the room. Oh yes. Oh my God. Oh yes. All right. I'm sorry, y'all. All right. So let's get to that price. So basically for this room, we ended up having, I think it's about $600. So for the entire stay. So we are here on Labor Day weekend. If you go on the Hilton Honors app, or you become a Hilton Honors member, there is a deal called the Long Weekender. And that basically will give you a much like downgraded price. rather than you paying as much as like maybe the room would have been on another like website or so. So I would definitely say check that out. It is completely for free. It is free to join and become a Hilton's Honors member, so I think everyone should probably invest in it. Throughout this trip, like, we're going to be going to a multitude of different spots. We're going to be going to Saks. I don't know if anybody's heard of it, but I'll definitely probably try to leave some details on the bottom for some things, some fun things to do out when you're in Washington. Other than that, like I said, like, it's relatively, I guess you could say, inexpensive for a Labor Day weekend kind of stay, right? Like, because it's $200 per person. We took the bus here. The bus was about $60, so that's about $260, and that was round trip transportation. So I mean, technically it's only about $260, almost $300 for a nice weekend stay, 4-day weekend stay at that, in another area. So, and we're from New York. So I would just say, if you have any questions, concerns, comments, please, as you already know, leave them at the bottom of this video. I'm gonna have all the details in there. Please do not forget to like and subscribe this video, pass on the word, and please tune in to more of my room tours, because I will be traveling to New Orleans next. Peace out, everybody. Have a great weekend.